Hey, this is Christina with WTI, and I wanted to share with you these great squeeze bottles that I got from UTaste. Now, some of the features I really appreciate is that they are BPA free. I like that when I'm making my salad dressings and sauces, there's a nice big opening here for me to pour my ingredients in. I like that when I want to close it, I can be sure that it's closed because it has a nice little snap feature here. They have a medium size hole, so you don't get too much or too little when you're putting the dressings on. Now, these come in a pack of 6, which really is what caught my attention because I love to make salad dressings and sauces for my dishes, and I like to make them homemade because the store stuff just has so many bad ingredients. So this is a Caesar dressing that I made, and this is a peanut sauce, and I want to give you a little look-see at just how good it pours out. Nice, right? So you don't have to worry about it getting clogged up, and you don't have to worry about it leaking. If you're looking for some great squeeze bottles like this, I definitely would recommend these from UTaste, and that is my point of view.